So let's navigate to the Academy Manager area. And from here we navigate to Booking Admin and select Booking System Filters. And we now need to again add our program category. So we select the plus icon and once again choose from the list the relevant program category filter that's been set up by the team at First Degree. And we're going to go ahead and choose this one, Demo 1-to-1 Studio. Once again, we can select the order number, so let's go order number 3, and we add the program description. And we then need to select once again that it's a 1-to-1 program filter, and we're going to choose that it is going to be a studio lesson. However, the difference is going to be now is we're not going to select Studio Pop-up Enable. We want this program filter to always be an option which is going to reserve the studio and show the relevant availability within the studio. So once you've selected the studio lesson, we're then going to go ahead and select the active coaches. This time we're only going to select coach number 1, and then let's go ahead and choose an image. And we're going to go ahead and click open, or again we could choose from our main repository, and then let's go ahead and click save. Similar to before with adding the other program categories, we now need to set our durations as active. So we're going to go ahead in this one and choose 60 minutes only, and once again we can go ahead and edit that description and the image that's associated within that program filter. So let's go across now to the booking system and show you how that's going to work slightly differently. So let's go across to book a lesson, and this again is the view that both coach, pro shop and student would see. And this time we're going to go ahead and select our Demo 1-to-1 Studio. Again, our order is slightly out here in that there must be some clashes with the order numbers of the program categories. But let's review the couple that we've added. So we've added a Demo 1-to-1 program filter, which when selected takes us straight through to the duration option. And when booked, this will book a lesson in the coach's schedule and it won't reserve a space in a studio. We've then got our Demo 1-to-1 Studio pop-up, which when selected gives us the option to booking a studio or not. And as we've shown in a previous example, the studio will be reserved based on whether this is selected. And then the final option is Demo 1-to-1 Studio. So when we click Demo 1-to-1 Studio, we're immediately taken through to our durations. So let's go ahead and click 60 minutes. And we can now see that we only have coach number 1 available. And we're going to go ahead and try and book a lesson on the 27th. And we can see here that on our view here, we've got a studio crossed out icon appearing over the top of our 8 AM duration. This is because we booked a lesson in the studio with coach number 3 using the pop-up enable option. So we can't book a lesson in the studio as it's currently being used by another coach and another student. But we can go ahead and select 8:30 AM with this option. The studio is available. There's no icon indicating that it isn't available. So let's go ahead and select this and click book now. And let's go ahead and select a student and we'll go ahead and click book now. Once again, no payment options are being presented at checkout here as currently the price is set to 0. So this needs to be updated in the coach schedule. Let's go ahead and click book now. And let's navigate across to the Pro Shop view to show you how that will look within the schedule. So let's go ahead and choose our single day view option. And we'll go ahead and jump to the 27th. Okay, so we can look here now on 27th of June. We've got our 8 AM booking with coach number 3 from the pop-up studio enable. We've got our 8:30 booking with coach number 3 that was our 1-to-1 option. And then we can see here coach number 1 at 8:30. We've got our studio program filter option with the studio icon highlighted over the top of that. So if a customer went on to the booking system or a coach went onto the booking system, it would obviously show the studio as unavailable across those 2 times. So that's how adding the studio option to the program category filters works.